Write the first four terms of AP when the first term is A and common difference is D are given as follows. So now we have the first problem for this. I have been given the first term and the common difference D. So the first term is 10 and common difference D equals 10. Okay. So now what is given here? Given we have A equals 10 and D equals 10. Correct, children? So now first term. So let us see the first term. So now first term equals. So this will be nothing but it will be equal to A1, which is also nothing but A, and it will be equal to 10. Right? So now what happens to the second term? So second term will be nothing but here. So second term will be nothing but you are going to it is nothing but A2, which is nothing but A1 plus D. That is for the first term you are going to add 10 to that. Right? So what I can do is I'm going to write like this 10 plus 10, which will give you 20. Okay. Next, we have the third term. So third term is A3, which is nothing but A2 plus D. That is, we are going to add common difference to the second term. That is 20 plus 10, which will be equal to 30. And the fourth term. So for the fourth term, so here we have the fourth term is equal to A3 plus D, which is nothing but 30 plus 10 is equal to 40, right? So now we have the first term as A1, that is 10. Second term is nothing but obtained by adding 10 to the first term, which will give you 20. And third term you get as 30 just by adding the common difference 10 to the second term. Similarly, for the fourth term, you're going to add to get the fourth term, you're going to add 10 to the third term. Now let's move on to the next problem. So A equals -2 and D equals 0. So now what is given here? So given we have A equals -2 and D equals 0, right? So now first term equals to A1, which is equal to A, which is nothing but -2. And now second term as I said, it is nothing but A2 and which is nothing but first term plus common difference, that is -2 and common difference is 0. -2 plus 0 will give you -2, right? And now we have the third term. So third term will be nothing but, which is nothing but A3. So A3 will be nothing but A2 plus D. So we have A2 plus D, which is nothing but -2 plus 0, which will again give you as -2. Then we go on for the fourth term. Fourth term will be equal to, so this is nothing but A4. So A4 will be nothing but A3 plus D. So write it as A3 plus D, that is -2 plus 0 again gives you -2. Right, children? Okay. Now we go for the third problem. So third problem, we have the first term as 4 and common difference D equals -3. So let us write the what is given. Given A is equal to 4 and D equals to -3. Okay. Now first term. So first term will be nothing but, as I said, it is A1 equals to A. So that will be equal to 4, right? And then we have the second term. Second term will be nothing but it is A2, and A2 will be nothing but it is equal to A1 plus D. So A1 plus D, it is nothing but 4, and then you have plus D means that is minus 3. So 4 minus 3 will give you how much? 1. Then we have the third term. Third term will be A3, which is nothing but A2 plus D. So A2 plus D, which is equal to, so for the third term, 1, we are going to add the common difference, that is minus 3. So 1 minus 3 will give you minus 2. Okay. And then the fourth term. So let us write the fourth term now. So fourth term equals A4. So we have A4, which is nothing but A3 plus D, which is equal to. So now A3 is how much? A3 is minus 2. And we have the common difference, D is minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3, both of them same sign. Just add it up. So it will be minus 5. So now the first term is 4, second term is 1, third term is minus 2, and fourth term is minus 5. Children, now I go for the fourth problem. So in this problem, we have A as minus 1, that is first term is minus 1, D is half, that is 1 by 2. Okay. So now let us write this. So given we have A as minus 1 and D equals half. So now first term. Now first term equals. So it will be nothing but A1, which is also equal to A, which is nothing but minus 1. Then we have the second term, which is nothing but A2, which is nothing but A2. A2, how do you get A2? A2 is nothing but it is obtained by adding common difference to the first term. So that is A1 plus D. So A1 is how much? A1 we have it as minus 1 plus D. What is D value? D value is plus half. So minus 1 plus half. So minus 1 plus half will be nothing but it will be minus 1 by 2. Right, children? Or if you want to see the how to take LCM, so you know, right? So do the cross multiplication. So we can write it as like this. So 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 1 divided by 2, which is nothing but minus 1 by 2. What it as? Minus 1 by 2. Okay. Then we have the third term. So third term we have, it is nothing but A3, which is nothing but A2 plus D, right? So what is A2? A2 already you know that it is nothing but minus half, right? So minus half. And what is D? D already you know that it is 1 by 2. So minus half plus half will give you 0. Right, children? So next I have the fourth term. So fourth term A is nothing but A4. So go for the A4. So A4 is nothing but A3 plus D. So A3 plus D is equal to, so the third term is 0 plus half. Because D is half, just add it up. So 0 plus half will be half only. So 0 plus half is half. Now let us go for the next problem, fifth problem. So here A is given to be minus 1.25 and D is minus 0.25. So let us write that. Given A equals minus 1.25 and D is equal to minus 0.25. So now the first term equals, so which is nothing but A1 equals to A, which is nothing but minus 1.25. And then we have the second term. So second term will be nothing but A2, which is equal to A1 plus D. So what's the value of A1? A1 is minus 1.25 and D is how much? Minus 0.25. So what will be the value now? So it will be equal to, so both will get added up. Value, it will be how much? Minus 1.50. Right, children? Then we have the third term is nothing but equal to A3 is equal to A1, A2 plus D is nothing but minus 1.5 minus 1.50. And then what is D value? D value is minus 0.25. So this will be equal to, so what do you get from this? It's equal to minus 1.75. Then we have the fourth term. Fourth term equals A4 which is equal to, it is nothing but A3 plus D. What is A3 value? It is minus 1.75 and D is value is minus 0.25. So this will be equal to, or this will be equal to. So just add it up, both of them will give you minus 2.00 is your answer.